Although some rides may look longer than others, the wait time is the same for each queue. Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River Cruise today, and we warn you, you may get wet. 欢迎来到世界著名的森林河流，稍微长一些，但是每个队列等候的时间是一样。祝您森林河流之旅愉快，请各位当心，有可能被水溅湿。歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅，請根據專輯上面唔同嘅標誌，選擇你想聽嘅導遊語言。祝大家今日喺森林河流之旅玩得開心，仲有小心啲，你哋好好啲，佢哋有攻擊嘅目標。
Snowman, hi. Iceman. Hello, Iceman. It's Iceman. I see you. I feel you. On behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, welcome everyone to the world-famous Jungle River Crew. I'm your skipper, my name is Snowman. There's a couple rules in my boat. First, remain seated. And please keep your hands and arms inside my boat and take care of your children, even though they're not your favorite one. Alright, let's go. Please look at the right-hand side. This is the Tyson treehouse. There's a lot of scientists doing their research right now. And one of our missions is to find them. We lost contact with them a few days ago. And let's say hello to your right. Hello!
Hello.
Are you guys joking? There's nobody over there. I'm just kidding. Are you sure you want to come with me? Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, we are the longest river in the world, 4,000 miles. What do you see at the front? I
Elephant.
thought you guys would say me. There's a mother elephant and a baby elephant. Let's say hello to them. Hello!
Hello.
Do I sound like an elephant? Do I?
No, that